let's sow our sweet peas for 2026. Welcome to Gardening with Ben, everybody. And in today's episode, we're going to be sowing our sweet peas. Now, the thing is with sweet peas is that they've got a hard shell on them, so they don't always germinate very well. So you need to help soften that shell up. So what we're going to do is we're going to put them in some room temperature water, let them soak for 12 hours, and then we're going to sow them. So we're doing this video over 2 days, and yeah, we're going to get these sown today. We've got some root trainers from Oakland Gardens which we got given, so we're going to plant them in them. And the best thing about root trainers is that they're deep, and sweet peas love deep roots, so they'll grow well in there. And then once they're ready, you can just split the root trainer apart and get the plant out with a root attached, and then plant them. You're not damaging the roots by trying to get them out of the tubs. And it's a great time to start the sweet peas off now, because they will grow strong and healthy. With it being cold, they're forcing their energy into growing, and it makes them a bit tougher and stronger. And yeah, hopefully get some great flowers on them, and they attract the pollinators, they attract the bees, the butterflies, the hoverflies, so more wildlife to your allotment, which is perfect because that'll help with pollinating your fruit and your vegetables. So yeah, let's get these sown, let's get them growing and see how well they grow. So I've put ours to soak. It's not clean water, it's rainwater this, so it is probably room temperature water. It shouldn't be too bad, but yeah, it'll be fine water, so hopefully it'll help soften the shells up and we'll be able to plant them tomorrow. So yeah, make sure you come back tomorrow and we'll continue with sowing these off. So welcome back to day 2 of sowing the seeds. So we have got these root trainers from Oakland Garden. As you can see, they're absolutely deep, which sweet peas love when they're growing. They need nice deep roots, and there's drainage in the bottom, and they're not cheap tacky root trainers either. They're really strong and sturdy, and they split apart so that you can get the plants out nice and easy. And these are from Oakland Gardens Limited. So yeah, check them out and get some root trainers which will last you years. Now you can fit quite a few in the trays, so we need to clip them all together and get compost in them, ready for sowing the seeds. So we've clipped the 12 of them together and we've put them in. We've got plenty in there: 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28 cells to sow seeds in. So yeah, we've got about 60 seeds, so we're gonna probably put a couple in some of them, and yeah, let's get them filled with compost, ready for sowing the sweet pea seeds. So that's all the compost in. We've filled them up near enough to the top so that we can get a couple in, and yeah, let's get all the seeds in and then covered over and watered. Okay, so the seeds have soaked for about 24 hours now, so they'll be ready for planting. Hopefully they'll be soft enough, but yeah, we need to try and get these out without losing them all. So let's get them out, and we'll put one in each one for the time being, and then we might have to put 2 in some of them. So yeah, let's just space them out. So we've got our seeds in. We've had to put 2 in each one because we've got that many seeds they filled. We had to fit space in them. So yeah, now is the time to cover them with compost, and then we'll give them a good watering after that. So that's all them covered, so now we need to give them a good water and pop them away to start germinating. The best thing about these is they come with propagator lids, so it keeps them a bit warmer. We'll close that for the time being, keep them damp. But yeah, we're going to pop these in our mini greenhouse because we've not got enough room on his windowsill at home, and get them in here because obviously you've got to be careful with sweet peas growing them on windowsills because they can grow leggy. I've seen so many pictures of people with leggy sweet peas, which isn't good because you don't want leggy sweet peas. So we're going to pop them in here, down at the plot. Hopefully they start germinating, keep them warm and keep them growing. So yeah, that is the sweet peas. Hopefully they all grow. So I hope you've enjoyed that video on how to sow sweet peas and hopefully get a great crop of flowers down at the allotment come summertime. And yeah, we'll be harvesting them every few days to keep us vases topped up and smelling sweet in the house. So drop us a follow to stay up to date and see them bloom in summer. Until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben everyone.